Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Holloway in UFC 5. Max is a high-volume striker with incredible cardio and boxing fundamentals. Your primary goal is to outstrike your opponent, wearing them down with constant pressure and accurate combinations. Focus on maintaining distance and using his reach advantage to land clean shots while avoiding heavy counters. His chin is legendary, but don't rely solely on it. Max excels at overwhelming opponents with flurries. Start with a jab cross to the head, then mix in body shots to drain their stamina. His signature spinning back kick can surprise, but use it sparingly to conserve energy. Remember to weave and slip after combinations to avoid incoming damage. Aim for 3 to 5 punch combos, then reset, always keeping the pressure on your opponent. Defense is key to Max's style. Utilize his excellent head movement to slip punches and immediately counter with a quick 2-punch combination. His footwork allows for great octagon control, helping you avoid takedowns. If caught in a clinch, focus on quick escapes or kneeing the body to create separation. Don't stand still. Constant movement is your best defense against incoming attacks and grappling attempts. To truly master Max, manage your stamina by mixing up your targets and not throwing wild power shots constantly. Against grapplers, deny takedowns early and punish their entries. Against fellow strikers, outwork them with superior volume and accuracy. Look for opportunities to finish with a flurry when your opponent is rocked, but always prioritize clean, consistent striking over reckless aggression to secure the victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.